Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my Taeyeon happy inspired nails. Start off by painting all of your nails a sheer white or pink. Using yellow, make an H on the first nail. Make a thin line of white through the centers of all of the sections of the letter to make it look like a neon sign. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the next nail, use a neon pink to make the letter A. Instead of white, this time use a very light pink for the center lines. Sealing your design with a top coat. We're putting both P's on this nail, so use a neon pink for one and yellow for the other. Line the neon pink letter with light pink and the yellow one with white. Sealing your design with a top coat. Make a Y on this nail with a neon blue and then line the center with a very light blue. Sealing your design with a top coat. On the last nail, we're going to make a smiley face. To start off, paint a yellow circle in the center of your nail. Once the polish is dry, make a curved line for the smile and add a dash at each end of the line. Add 2 long ovals for the eyes. Sealing your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!